Guy from Sons of Anarchy.
He is.
Is
I'm
he?
telling you, yeah.
I know, I'm telling him.
Yeah, I know, he is.
He is, I knew
Yeah,
it.
he's playing you.
I knew it.
He's 100% him.
That is him.
Yeah.
I fucking knew it.
Yeah.
I knew it. I think it's supposed to be a secret, but I know. I know. No one has caught on. I'm the only one.
Don't tell anyone.
Everyone's going to me, Millie, you're an idiot. He's not the guy.
100% him.
Fuck yeah, I knew it. He said he'd tell
You
me
nailed
a
it.
secret
You're so
tonight.
smart, eh?
He said he'd tell me a secret tonight, but
He said he would tell you.
a secret.
Maybe that's a secret.
That is the secret, I knew it. I knew it! I don't even watch that show, but he looks like he'd be the guy from Sons of Anarchy. He is the guy from Sons of Anarchy. He is the guy from Sons of Anarchy. I asked him.
No. Aaron, come here.
I think, unless he's liked me, he is the guy from Sons of Anarchy.
Who? No, it's not.
It is.
No, it's not.
It is.
No, it's not.
It is.
I don't even watch that show. No, that's not him. Fools. Fools. I'm telling all of them here.
It's him. No, it's not. It's one of his strip acts. It's one of his strip acts. I've seen
You
it.
love me now. Admit it. He's not, okay? Why would he come here on Love Island when he's making millions? He's making millions on a TV show.
It kind of caught on, and then I think she does think that he is Jax.
Are you actually?
You'll never know.
I knew it. Really, it's not. It is, that's him. Really, it's not, I'm telling you. I'm telling you. I don't know, but I'm guessing it's him. Nah.
What is she? Mate, I love playing with this. This is hilarious.
He's too gullible.
She's so gullible.
Oh no, I like it. I like it. This is so funny.
He's definitely the